Hi kings and queens, how you guys are doing? On the kids menu for tonight is one of my children's favorite meat sauce. I'm telling you, this meat sauce, they just love it. They would eat it every day if they had the chance to. So meat sauce and some steamed broccoli, of course. Veggie is important. And also to go with that is some pasta. I use angel hair pasta tonight. I usually use spaghetti, but I don't have any. But so angel hair pasta will do. Okay guys, so check out the delicious recipe for my meat sauce. I will attach the link, and if you try it, I'm telling you, your kids are going to love it also. Until next time, big up on yourself. One love.